take the desktop file is here, as you can see. I'm going to open this file and then copy and paste the abstract from here, as you can see, and paste it to the up to here, copy and then paste it to. I'll paste it here, Control V, and then detect AI. For the time being, I'm going to close this one. Detect AI. So it shows that it's for 68% use from AI, as you can see the different parts which is highlighted, and it shows that these parts the person used from AI. To be honest, when you're writing a prompt inside AI, it doesn't matter Gemini, Copilot, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and there are many other types of AI systems that you can write your prompt over there. Or even if you use Copilot, let's say for continue writing or enhance writing, improve writing, whatever that you're using, again you have to come and then rewrite it. I mean, in a very good quality, in another way, using another words. It means that the last thing that you're putting in your abstract should be exactly written with your own typing, not exactly extracting from the AI based on prompt or based on AI detector, based on what do you call it, writing prompt, or based on improve writing, or even based on continue writing. To be honest, if you want to get 0% of the AI, you have to be careful about last part before uploading. For example, you can check it in AI detector like this one, and after checking you can rewrite it and again check it, rewrite it, again check it until you get 0%. By the way, AI detectors are not that much accurate, but many of the people, they are using AI detector in order to judge you. For your information, I wrote my own CV from the scratch, everything from the scratch. And finally, I asked ChatGPT or Gemini to summarize it. For example, for a kind of, let's say, summarize my CV and then make offer letter for some universities, things like that. And then I received 100% AI, even though I've written my CV on my own. I uploaded my file, I asked the system to summarize it and make an offer letter, something like this. Still, it was 100%. So I decided to rewrite it on my own. Again, it became around 65%. Again, many different parts I tried to rewrite, and then finally it became 0%. Once you got this 0%, then you can upload to your CV. So it's about 68% plagiarism check. I mean, AI detector showed 68%. So check whatever you have written in your pieces and then try to get 0% and then upload it to your, write to your, put into your thesis. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.